Hi guys, my name is Babatunde, a clinical nutritionist by profession, and I have with me here one of the best and most amazing chef in the world in person of Abdulaziz.
Thank you very much. Thank you, boss. Thank you very much.
And guess what, guys? Today we are going to be making something very, very awesome. Today we are making a very healthy cookies. Yes, healthy cookies. This time around, we've carefully taken time to choose very healthy options for you guys, because we know a lot of people like to snack on cookies. So one of the healthy options we have here is our amazing oats, rolled oats. And we all know the super health benefits of eating oats. It's high in lots of fiber, and we all know the function of fiber. It helps reduce cholesterol and do a whole lot in our system. So the next one I'm going to be using, or we are going to be using today, is bananas. Yeah, Chef Abdulaziz, I really love bananas. Yeah, I actually love bananas myself. So we're going to be using banana, which is a very healthy option for you to add in your oats as well. It's high in potassium. So for people that have blood pressure and the likes, this is a good way to start your day. And the next one we're going to be using is our coconut. How many of you like coconuts? Because I love coconut.
I love coconut. I love coconut.
Exactly. And guess what? Coconut is a superfood. It's super healthy. We're talking about fat. We're trying to eliminate fat, but here we have good fat for the body. Okay, very good. And we're going to be using coconut today. Alright, so the next thing we're going to be using in place of our normal sugar is the honey. We all know that honey is actually very, very healthy. So we're going to be using honey in place of the normal regular sugar. So with all these, we have healthy cookies. Healthy cookies already.
Very healthy.
Very healthy cookies. And by the way, we are going to be using our one and only Salad Master healthy cooking system. There you go, we have our Salad Master healthy cooking system. We have our baking sheet in there, and we are going to be baking our cookies using this. You don't need an oven. Even if you don't have an oven, you can easily use a Salad Master healthy cooking system. And this is actually called the Good Boy. It's the electric skillet. It works with electricity. We have the knob here, and we are going to be baking at what temperature?
I'm going to be preheating at 230 today, and we're going to be baking. When we're ready to bake, I'll bring it down to 180. So right now, I'm about to start preheating the electric skillet. Yes, at 230.
Okay.
All right. So 230. There you go.
Wow, can you see how it works?
Yes. Very easy. Very easy and convenient.
Very easy. So how long do we preheat for?
Yeah, so I'm going to preheat. It's going to take about 5 minutes for me to finish mixing all this thing. So by then it should have been preheated already.
Okay, fantastic. Guys, I can't wait already. I'm salivating. So without wasting much time, Chef Abdulaziz, over to you.
Alright, thank you very much, boss. So everybody, I'm just going to wash my hands now because we care about hygiene. We're very particular about that. So we try to cook very clean and healthy. Is it, I mean?
Wow, so cookies, healthy cookies is actually ready. I can't wait to have a taste of this. So let me just grab one and then take a bite. Oh my god, this looks so good. Chef Fabiola says, wow.
How does this taste?
Very well. I love this taste. The super amazing thing about this is that it's very healthy. Very, very healthy. The calories are just in check, and also the sweetness because of the honey, natural honey.
Yes.
Everything is very fine, and then the fiber content is actually very good. The banana we use as well, the potassium in the banana and the whole lot. Now this is actually very nutritious, very, very healthy, very good. I have a guest in the house, and then I would also like the guest to actually have a taste of this very sumptuous healthy cookies. Please, where's our guest? Where's our guest?
Whoa.
It's very interesting. Please just come have a taste and tell us how exactly it tastes.
Alright.
Wow.
Interesting.
Wow.
Sumptuous, right?
This is so yummy.
Exactly. You can feel the strength of the coconuts inside.
Wow, wow.
Very, very healthy.
Very
Very
wow.
healthy. Now
Wait, you made this with
without sugar.
Without sugar.
No sugar, no oil.
Just honey. And you know the good thing about this is that, guys, you could actually snack on these very healthy snacks. And then basically you can actually give this to your kids. They like to eat lots of, sugary and sweet things, but this is actually really healthy to feed your kids.
I would like to know the recipe you made this with.
No problem. When you're ready, just ready to finish.
Wow, this is very.
Alright guys, don't hesitate to follow and subscribe on our YouTube page. If it's your first time on YouTube, please try as much as possible to hit the subscribe button so you get notifications every time we're coming to share you very new sumptuous healthy recipes, and also share with your friends and family. And by the way, we have all our social media handles on your screen, so please just go follow and like everything. Till we see you, bye bye guys.